नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिव समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा. I welcome you all with my love and respects. Actually, I feel that whole thing, all of you in front of me, and this whole hall, this mic, everything, this throne, everything, kind of a liquid, semi-solid, where the bhava freezes into matter, where the ideas becoming idols. In that space, I can see the whole operation happening. From this space, I want to give you one advice. Please understand. Whatever you believe, your body makes that into reality. I can see from this space, if somebody believes sannyas is too easy, just body builds its structure, its DNA, to make sannyas simple and easy. If somebody believes it is very difficult, complicated, structure starts making that same thing, and you have a fear, it is very difficult, but you want to believe willfully it is easy, then that will persistence just swallowing that fear, like a saraba swallowing the simha, like a dinosaur swallowing sharks. I can see the will persistence swallowing the fear. If you feel living in this place is the best, I am seeing you manifest that. If you feel there is problems here, I may not be in tune with this now, then I see that same thing getting manifested. If you feel the fear is there, I may not be successful, I may not fit in, but with will persistence you want to feel, no, I will fit in, this is the best place. Then I see the will persistence behaving like a Sharaba. Saraba means Mahadeva's incarnation to remove the blood of Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakasipu from Narasimha. See, Narasimha has to kill Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakasipu in a very raw way, like a physical, violent, eating the intestine, because the intestine was capable of keeping the DNA alive, which Narasimha does not need, doesn't want. So he has to swallow it. Whatever is said and done, because that fellows have done a lot of tapas, that qualities went and got settled into the Narasimha's body. So now it is Mahadeva's responsibility to clean up Narasimha's body. So he takes up the form of Saraba, means the face of Saraba. Saraba means the lion with elephant trunk and the huge wings. He assumes the form of Saraba and releases Narasimha. I can see clearly your will persistence behaving like Saraba and releasing you from all the damages of Hiranyaksha, all the incompletions. Understand? I am really seeing this whole semi-solid existence. I am actually sitting on the threshold. Because I have to be with the reality and I have to relate with your reality. I have to be with my reality and relate to your reality. Powers are nothing but your brain deciding to believe the magical existence of you against the logical existence of you, which is taught to you by your society. See, your society taught to you only the logical existence. Your brain deciding to come to the conclusion, cognition of magical existence, magical way of existing is what is power manifestation. That's all. I tell you, you are not the body, you are not the mind, you are consciousness. Sit with this one truth. Trusting just because I said, you will not perish. Name bhakta pranashyati. My devotees do not perish. When you come to the conclusion, your consciousness, your pleasures will change. Your purpose of existence will change. Why you want to exist will change. I tell you, whatever you feel as you, whatever you concluded as you, whether you like it or not, just by your breathing you spread that. If you are joyful, by your breathing you spread that. If you are hypocritical, by your breathing you spread that. If you are a cheat, by your very breathing you spread that. If you come to the conclusion you are consciousness, by your very breathing you spread that. Chipram bhavati dharmatma sasvas shantim nigacchati kaunteya pradijanihi name bhakta pranashyati. Just by the power of his integrity to me, he rests in eternal powerful space. O Partha, know thou for certain that my devotee is never destroyed. Here Krishna is using a beautiful word, Kaunteya, son of Kunti. He uses the words very beautifully. Here he says Kaunteya. Well, you know that integrity gets into muscle memory, which is part of the mother. That is why he calls here Kunti's son. O son of Kunti. Wherever he talks about the biomemory concepts, where father component of Arjuna need to cooperate, he calls him Partha. Wherever his manliness need to be woken up, he addresses like a Kutakesha all his glories. Every word Krishna uses to address Partha, Arjuna, as a meaning with the concept he is teaching in that sutra, in that verse. Here he says Kaunteya, because the integrity has to penetrate your muscle memory. Listen, I am not 4D theater, Universal Studio to shake you and give you the experience of earthquake, accident. No, I don't need to do any of that. My words are enough. I tell you, really I tell you, today I'll make you experience how liquid you are. You can touch and feel everything is in the mercury state. The way you want it to become solid, it becomes solid. Your cognition solidifies it. That is what is consolidation. Your cognition solidifies it, consolidates it. Sit as pure consciousness. If you don't know how to visualize it, you can decide to visualize Mahasadashiva. The form here carved with thousands of heads means all the heads here are your heads. The head of the Indra, head of the Chandra, head of the Surya, head of the Shani, head of the Guru, head of the person who is sitting in Batala, everything is part of your head, your neck. All those identities are your identities. Sit with that cognition. You may not know how to come to the conclusion about consciousness. So, come to this decision, conclusion. Everyone here, everyone everywhere, every animal, everything exists. Big, big sharks inside the ocean. Huge living and non-living entities. No, I should not use the word non-living, sorry. Animate and inanimate. They may be inanimate, but they have life. They are alive. Stavaram jangamam vyaptam. Whether it is stavara or jangama, you penetrate everything. You pervade everything. Sit with that decision. Sit with that conclusion. I'll show you how liquid this whole universe is. It is your bhava does the spanda. It's your bhava does the spurana. So apply Jnananjana and drop that stupid your incompletion papers you wrote. They are all irrelevant and idiotic. Drop all of that. Apply Jnananjana or Aushada. Pick up your Atmalinga. Sit as Mahasadashiva with thousands of heads. Sorry, not thousands, billions or trillions. Trillions of heads and identities. Beautifully coexisting. Established on oneness. Listen to these words. The huge shark in the ocean and your liver and kidney, intestine floating inside your body. Both have same experience of oneness. Chandra, Surya, Rahu, Ketu, Shani, and your next person, you. All of you have same oneness as identity. Apply the Jnananjana or Aushada. Pick up your Atmalinga. See your incompletion so idiotic and irrelevant to your existence. Yes. Keep your eyes closed. Let's start the initiation. Om Nityananda Maha Sadashivoham. Reverberate with this powerful Mahavagya. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. Be alive in all the living beings and entities. Stavaram Jangamam Vyaptam. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. குலகுண்டலினி, எல்லா உயிருக்குள்ளும் உயிர்த்தெழுந்து பாவஸ்புரணத்தை பக்குவமாய் வெளிப்படுத்து. மகா சதாசிவத்தன்மை மலரட்டும். ஞானமும் பக்தியும் பொங்கி மகா சதாசிவ சக்திகள் மலரட்டும். மகா சதாசிவத்துவம் மலரட்டும். ஓம் நித்யானந்த மகா சதா சிவோஹம். Chant intensely. Chant deeply. Stavaram Jangamam Vyaptam. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. 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 ॐ नित्यानन्द महा सदा शिवोऽहम् 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 ॐ नित्यानन्द महा सदा शिवोऽहम्। 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 Sit intensely without moving your system. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. Sit intensely. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. 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 Om Nityananda महा सदा शिवोऽहम्। ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 सदा शिवोऽहम्। ॐ नित्यानन्द महा 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 सदा शिवोऽहम्। ॐ नित्यानन्द Maha Sada Shivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Maha Sada Shivoham. You can all open all your three eyes and experience Mahasada Shiva's great powers. Now, I sincerely recommend and request every one of you, especially all the inner awakening grads, become part of the enriching and causing teamily to cause humanity superconscious breakthrough. You will experience the superconscious breakthrough. With today's initiation, you will manifest length, breadth, depth, body scanning and third eye healing, Anandagandha healing, all these powers in multiple permutation combination as you want. Play with it. Play with it. Be blissful.